you are here just for the day, our one-day park hopper ticket offers same-day admission to both Disneyland and Disney California Adventure. If you have more time to spend, multi-day tickets are an especially good value.
Your attention, please.
It's a beautiful day this morning. A little cloudy, but I will say it's gonna be an interesting one. What is shaking, everyone? Welcome back and good morning. Like I said, today's gonna be an interesting day because it's D23, so a lot of people are here, a lot of people are out, and especially this afternoon when D23 gets over, all of those annual pass holders, all those guests that are here just for the convention are going to meander over. So be curious to see how busy it gets. Right now, we've got to wait a little while to get in the park. So once again, we enter one park and start the day in another. So again, we're starting off in DCA. We just had to go over to Disneyland to get a locker because again, whatever park you are starting in, make sure to put, whichever park you're gonna finish in, make sure that's where you put your backpack or your stuff in a locker. Because if you don't, it makes for a crazy time trying to get back over to whatever park and get your locker. It's a pain in the butt. So always go to the park you're gonna finish with, get your locker, put your stuff away. It makes the rest of the day that much easier. So I slowly see Ashley walking up behind me. We're headed to Flo's for breakfast. It's been a very, very long time. When was the last time we went to Flo's? I think it was like when we first came here and the first time I saw Cars Land. Like we first started dating, so that had to be like 2013, I think is when we came. 2013 is the last time we had Flo's for breakfast. So we're going there. Then we're gonna ride Radiator. Huh?
We were dating for 3 years.
Yeah, we had been dating for 3 years. So Flo's, followed by Radiator. And then who knows, I know she wants to ride Soaring really, really bad. So let's walk, let's enjoy, and we'll meet you over in Cars Land. So we have a small little detour because Missy starts tugging on me like a little kid and says, hey, there's no weight. This ride is so rough. Whee! Woo-hoo! Oh! Oh no. Oh no, big whip! Oh. Uh-oh. Oh, no, 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 no! Oh, oh no. Oh. Okay, that was kind of weak. Oh boy. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. No, no, no! No! Oh. This ride is so much fun, but it's so... Oh, no. No, 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 no! No! Oh. Mater's Junkyard Jamboree.
Oh yeah, I
I remember when that ride was super smooth. It's still a lot of fun, but man, some of those whips and the vibration you get kind of rattles your noggin a little bit. So like I just mentioned, we are over here at Flo's Cafe. Ashley got the All-American breakfast, which is scrambled eggs, fried potatoes, some bacon, and a biscuit. I got the chicken tamale breakfast, so it's a chicken tamale, some pico de gallo, some eggs, and of course, my coffee. So overall, Flo's VA Cafe is much like the other breakfast establishments as far as quick service is concerned. The food is good. It's a little kind of, standard, but there's a little bit of a, what are you doing? There's a little bit of a variety, as you saw with my chicken tamale. And they also have a brioche French toast, which looks really good with banana kind of Fosters on top. So, Flo's VA. Flo's VA is definitely a, your kind of standard quick service, but if you want a little bit of variety, as far as, you got tamales, you got an American breakfast, you have the brioche French toast. This is the place to come, and the food, like I said, isn't too bad. So we're off to Radiator Springs. No incoming. So we're off to Radiator Springs, and then we're trying to make a fast pass for Midway Mania, so I can defend my title.
Here's my food again.
And
for some eggs.
And we're gonna also ride the Incredicoaster, but I don't have the GoPro, so it'll be a little bit more difficult to film. But like I said, Incredicoaster, Midway Mania, and up next is Radiator Springs Racers.
On this planet.
Yippee. Welcome to Race Day.
At Radiator Springs.
A champion needs speed
And style.
Luigi, give our friend your best.
So now that we just rode Radiator Springs Racers, is that the best ride inside of DCA? It's probably one of our favorites, if not our favorite. But I know Mission Breakout is a lot of people's favorite. The Incredicoaster, same thing. So, where does Radiator Springs rank in your top DCA list? Leave your comments down below. Like I said, for me, it's probably number 2 behind Mission Breakout because I still love that Tower of Terror feeling. Ashley's Radiator Springs is probably number 1, but well, Little Mermaid is okay. Really?
That's my favorite.
Okay, you heard it. Ashley's favorite attraction inside of DCA is Little Mermaid.
Well, I would say Grizzly River Run, but somebody doesn't like to ride it.
Right, I don't like to ride it because I get soaked. I don't get wet. And trust me, we rode Pirates last night and it looked like I just got off a splash. So if it has water, I get soaked. Anyways, we are off to the Incredicoaster and then Midway. So we'll see you over there.
Well, he doesn't work like
It's making me dizzy.